So you're probably thinking I'm wrong for leaving y'all off on a little cliffhanger, but I'm not, because you came back to watch the next video. So I'm gonna go ahead and cue this intro and I'll meet y'all back for the room tour. So before we start this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell notification on so you can get the insight on when I post another video. So, are you ready? You ready? You ready? I know. Okay, let's go. So this is a nice little overview of my hair room. And I usually have it just like this when I'm about to do hair. When I'm usually not doing hair, I usually have like my mannequin head out, like it'd be products there, but you know, I had to clean it up a little bit for you guys. And plus I am doing hair, so it had to be clean regardless. But when you first walk in, above the door, I just have perfume boxes. So these are 2 Versace perfume boxes. We do designer. And then when you come over here, you see this long mirror. I got this mirror from TJ Maxx, and then how I accept my payments is right there. You see another perfume bottle, that was Jimmy Choo, and then you come right here. So basically the door, come right here, mirror, come right here, window. My ring light, I have to have this when I do hair because sometimes I can't see. You see my hair, let me go ahead and put some light on. Look at that. Look at that curly. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh, that thing looks sexy. So you see my hair, because I gotta brand myself, of course. You see my curly, this is the curliest texture, my deep wave, my straight, and my body wave. And all of this is washed. So this is the texture, the state, body wave. It still has some wave to it. Like this is how my hair looks after it's been washed. So yes, it's clean. Then you see 2 more perfume boxes, and these are the last 2, and those are just YSL. I put these there because I feel like they just add more to the room. So then you see my banner, and I got this from Vistaprint. I get a lot of questions of where I got this banner from, and I got it from Vistaprint. I will try to put the measurements if I know, if I remember, but it's pretty long, it's pretty big. So you come right here, and this is the main area. I have my chair that I got from, let me show you. My chair that I got from, I think I got that from eBay. Yeah, let me just go ahead and take it off. Yeah, it's a classic little salon chair. This was custom made. If you know who makes these with custom logos, please leave it in the comment section below. Then I have these little thumbtacks in the wall because this is where I hang my thread on, because I just need everything to be organized. This wall and this wall I did myself. I bought these wallpaper strips from Amazon, and I just put it along the wall, like, yeah, because I wanted an accent wall when I take my pictures. So I put that there. I'll leave that in the comment section below also. I don't know if I want to add more and just have this whole side like that. I don't know, I might, but yeah. So then you just come over here and you see my, what is this called? You see this, and this is where all my hair products are stored. So I have my hair dryer, wall plugins, all my hair products are on the side, a trash can, wig caps at the bottom. Right here, oh yeah, and I can lock it. So I do lock it every time I leave this room because I have a lot of products in here. At the top are products, tools and stuff like that. And then thread, needles, clips, elastic bands. And the cool thing about this is when I'm doing hair, those 2 things on the side, I can literally put the baskets on like each side. So each side has it. So when I'm doing here, I can just grab, do it, So I will try to leave the link to this also below, because if you don't have to have this if you do hair. Like, you can just have this in the room or in the bathroom and it'll be, you know, useful. Then at the bottom is more products. It's dark down there, but it's more products down there. And it's another basket full of flexi rods and glue. Then there's another side, and that's where I keep my main products that I use every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, BioSilk. If you don't have BioSilk, get you some BioSilk, because this is like God in a bottle. Like, it's literally, I use this on my natural hair, I use this on my weave, I use this after I condition, before I condition, before I wash, every day. Like, I put this everywhere in my hair 24/7. So I have 2 bottles of that. Then I have this Silky Mist. This is also really good, especially when you're straightening hair or you want your hair to be soft. You spray this through, and I'm gonna just go ahead and let you see the results in my next hair video, because you will see how it works. Then I just have a misting spray bottle, some got to be glue spray, some 91% alcohol, and some cotton swabs. So that's it for that station. And the last thing in my hair room is, that's me, hey, what's up, is this closet. And this is where I keep all my big stuff that I don't want out here, because I don't like it being cluttered. So this is the chair that I use when my clients sit down. I keep my client's wig on this wig stand. This is my wig stand. Also got it from Amazon. It's pretty long, pretty big. I have a client, so I have her wig right here. But when I do hair, I usually take this out and put it over there in the corner, so like this easy access. And my hair dryer, don't mind this stuff, it's not mine. I keep my bleach here, my shampoo, more shampoo, another mannequin head, but that's for when I make wigs and clients have bigger heads. I use that one. And then this is just extra stuff, extra supplies that I don't want out. And these are wig boxes. This basket is full of hair and full of my wigs too. So I have so much leftover bundles, so much left over here. And this is all here. And then my wigs are in like bags like that. Ooh, don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Okay. Yeah, I keep my wigs in these little bags, because, you know, you got to take care of your hair. It got to stay in satin. Like, come on now. And honestly, y'all, that's my room tour, my hair room tour. Like, that's pretty much it. I do want to add more wall decor. Like, I want to add something right there. I might add more strips right here, but that's it. This is where the magic happens. This is where, you know, oh yeah, I forgot. I'm just talking. This is a anti-fatigue mat. So it literally covers from one side to one side. This thing is really big. It covers this whole section. And if you do hair, you need to get one of these, because when you stand on your feet for a long period of time, your back does start to hurt. So that helps, you know, because the ground is hard, that is soft. So yeah, one last overview of my hair room. So that will conclude this hair room tour. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Like, you keep coming back to my videos, you see you like my content, so go ahead and subscribe. Turn the bell notification on, because I have some lit content coming up. And yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.